Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. In the previous class, I taught you Maestro with a mission. This lesson is about Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam. So, art form he was passionate was Kuchipudi. So, here in this lesson, they given about the classical dance Kuchipudi, which was originated from the village Kuchipudi, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so he left his house when he was 18 years old. Then the passion he was driven by, that is Kuchipudi, he want to popularize this art form. Later he was a director in for some of the Telugu movies also. I mentioned the name of the Telugu movies. Then some of the students of him was Vaijayanti Bala, Hema Malin, Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, etc. Okay, now let us continue. For all that he has done to the development and emergency of Kuchipudi to a full-fledged dance form, So, what he has done, he want to develop this Kuchipudi. Okay, so he want to popularize Kuchipudi not only in India but also in the world. Dr. Vempati was rightly conferred the much coveted Padma Bhushan. He was awarded Padma Bhushan, titled by the government of India. Andhra University awarded him an honorary doctorate in the year 1980. That's what we are writing, Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam. Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, honored him with honorary degree literature in 1983. Dr. Satyam was presented with the Golden Key by the Mayor of Miami, USA, Stephen P. Clark, in the year 1981. So these are the honors that whatever he got. So he was awarded by the government of India Padma Bhushan, and Andhra University awarded him doctorate, and Venkateshwara University Tirupati honored him with honorary degree literature. So he was chosen for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship, and the Raja Lakshmi Foundation Madras presented the Raja Lakshmi Award. It is from Tamil Nadu. There are only a few to mention. These are the awards that mentioned here in the lesson. It is only very few. There are so many feathers in the cap. What is the meaning? There are so many feathers in the cap. It means he was awarded. Just the few of them are mentioned here. There are many. So in the year 1976, the TTD, which means Tirupati Devasthanam, made Satyam the Asana Natyacharya. Natyacharya means the dance master. He was born to Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi. Now let us know about his parents. His father Venkatachalamaya and mother Varalakshmi. He was born on 15th October 1929. He led an illustrious life of 83 years, and he led a long 83 years. Okay, and he breathed his last. What is the meaning of breathe his last? He died on 29th July 2012. He was survived by his wife. What is the name of his wife? Swarajya Lakshmi, 2 sons and 3 daughters. All the Telugu speakers identify themselves with Kuchipudi. If you see the old movies, you can see the dance form Kuchipudi in old Telugu movies. The rest of the world looks at Kuchipudi and Dr. Vempati's tremendous work, excellent work with revert eyes. Kuchipudi has established itself as par with other classical dance forms in India. The other classical dance form of India are Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. Okay, so before many years, no one care of this dance form, Kuchipudi. Then after, it got also a good name along with the other classical dances like Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. Countless people worked for Kuchipudi. There are many people, those who work for Kuchipudi. but Vempati remains the source of inspiration to such people, and he remains at the center stage of Kuchipudi's search as a classical dance form in modern India. Hence, he was rightly called as maestro with a mission. Okay, so what is the mission that he was driven by? He want to popularize Kuchipudi all over the world. Okay, so here some awards they mentioned here in the lesson, and his father was Venkatachalamaya and mother Varalakshmi. He was born on 15th October 1929. Okay, and he lived a illustrious life of 83 years. He has wife by name Swarajya Lakshmi, 2 sons and 3 daughters. So here it is mentioned about this great guru. What the name? Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. Many university they honored him doctorate, and the government of India also honored him by Padma Bhushan. So hope you understand this lesson. Related to this lesson, question answers I'll give in the next class. Thank you.